Now 8th standard maths class. In last class you learned about what is rational numbers, in between gap how many numbers we can find, how we find the rational numbers in between two numbers. These are we learned previous class. Now today we can calculate addition, subtraction, multiply and division. How we calculate in rational numbers. Okay. First sum. In exercise 1.1, 7th sum. Using average, write three rational numbers between 14 by 5 and 16 by 3. If asked like normally means, we have to calculate LCM and we write the rational numbers in between gap. But here asking using average. What is mean by average? You already learnt in the 7th standard. Mean, median, mode. In that mean, what is mean and what is average? Average means how many, what are the elements, what are the numbers are given, you add all the values and also divided by the number of the elements, how many elements, how many numbers are there is given, divided by that. அதாவது என்னென்ன நம்பர்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்களோ அந்த நம்பர்ஸை ஃபுல்லாக ஆட் பண்ணி எத்தனை நம்பர் கொடுத்துருக்கோ அதால் டிவைட் பண்ணணும். இந்த சேம் வே ஹியர் டூ நம்பர்ஸ் வி ஹாவ். ஸோ ஹவு வி ஃபைண்ட் த ஆவரேஜ் மீன்ஸ் adding these two values and divided by 2, then we got a average value of these two numbers. Okay, so first 14 by 5 and 16 by 3. In between gap we have many numbers, but here asking using average only. So adding these two numbers divided by 2. So these two numbers 14 by 5 plus 16 by 3 divided by 2. Here 5, here 3. So we cannot add these two numbers. How we add? You already learnt in fractions, no? How we add? First we change the denominator as same. So we find the LCM. Here LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So here 5, no? So multiply by 3. Here 3, no? Multiply by 5. So 14 3s are 42, 16 5s are 80, divided by 15, divided by the whole divided by 2. So 42 plus 80 is 122, divided by 15, divided by 2. In denominator there is no value means divided by 1. Therefore denominator 2 by 1, that is equal to 125 by 15 into 2 by 1 is converted into reciprocal. தலைகீழ மாறிடும். So 1 by 2 மல்டிப்ளையாக மாறி 1 by 2 மாறிடும். Now we cut the values by 2. Both are divided by 2. So we cut the values by 2. 1 2 is 2. Here 6 2s are 12. 1 2 is 2. So we got 61 by 15. In between gap we have 61 by 15. Now here asking write three rational numbers. So we find next rational number in between gap here. These two numbers averages we find. How we find these two numbers average? 14 by 5 plus 61 by 5 divided by 2. So these two numbers average we have to find. இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பருக்கு இடையில உள்ள ஆவரேஜ் நம்பரை நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஸோ அந்த ரெண்டு நம்பரையும் ஆட் பண்ணி 2வால் டிவைட் பண்ணணும். So add பண்ணும்போது the denominator we check both are same or not. Here both are not same. So in these two LCM is 15. LCM is 15. Therefore we multiply by 3. Here already 15 is here. So we cannot multiply. So 14 3s are 42 plus the 61 divided by 15 divided by 2. That is equal to, add these two numbers 103 divided by 15 by 2 by 1. So here divided is here. So we change into multiply 103 by 15 into 1 by 2. So we multiply these two values. 103 into 1 is 103. 15 2s are 30. Now this is second number we find. Now third number, how we find? Average between these two numbers, 61 by 15 க்கும் 16 by 3 க்கும் இடையில உள்ள ஆவரேஜ் நம்பரை கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறோம். ஸோ இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பர்ஸையும் ஆட் பண்ணி 2வால் டிவைட் பண்ணுறோம். இந்த சேம் வே we can do the denominator as same. Same means find LCM and add the numerator and cut the common values. Here common value is not here, so we are just multiply the values and put the answer. So we got 141 by 30. Now we got the three values. First one is 61 by 15, then second one is 103 by 30, third one is 141 by 30. Next sum. Verify that minus of minus x is the same x for x is equal to, x value is given, minus of minus x is equal to x. Verify பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்கு. ஸோ to find, நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க வேண்டியது என்னதுன்னா given நம்பருக்கு minus of minus x. So minus of minus x means first we do the bracket value. So minus x we find. So minus x value is minus 31 by 45. So minus into minus plus 31 by 45 we got. Now minus of minus x we find. So minus of minus x is equal to minus x value we already got 31 by 45, that is equal to minus 31 by 45. Is this same or not? X is equal to minus of minus x. That's all. Next, rearrange suitably and add. For rearrange, some of the numbers are given, 5 values are given here. Add these values, add these 5 values, but one condition is given. Rearrange suitably. What is suitably? You already learned in fractions like terms. Do you remember? Like terms means denominators are same, means those values are like terms. So here minus 7, here also 7. So write like this, minus 3 by 7 plus 4 by 7. Next 5 by 6 minus 13 by 6. Why minus 13 by 6? Denominator there is no minus, so minus we put the numerator. So minus 13 by 6. So denominator 6 உள்ளதை எழுதிட்டோம். Now plus 1 by 3. Add these two values. Denominators are same, no? So add these two values, minus 3 plus 4. Add these two values because denominator are same. So 6, 5 minus 13 plus 1 by 3. Now 4 minus 3 is 1 by 7 plus here one is positive, another one is negative. So subtract the values. So 13 minus 5 is 8. Now check the symbols. Now check the integer symbol. Here plus, here minus means greatest number symbol. Write the greatest number symbol. Here greatest number is 13. Therefore the symbol is negative, minus. Plus the same 1 by 3. Now here plus, here minus. Don't put two symbols in the same number. So minus 8 by 6. Plus into minus, minus 8 by 6. Now we find the LCM for this numbers and add the values. So 7, 6, 3. LCM we find. Divided by 3. 7 as it is. Then 2 3s are 6. 1 3 is 3. Then we multiply these values. 3 into 7 into 2, that is equal to 42. Up to 1 you have to do this also correct because we cannot divide it by any one of the number, both of the values. ஒரே நம்பரை வச்சு இந்த ரெண்டையும் டிவைட் பண்ண முடியாததுனால இதோட ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிக்கிடலாம். இது வரைக்கும் உள்ள நம்பர்ஸை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி எழுதிக்கணும். ஸோ இப்போது 1 by 7 minus 8 by 6 plus 1 by 3 எல்லாத்தையும் எடுத்து எழுதிக்கிறோம். எழுதிட்டு இப்போ 7 எப்படி 42 நம்ம சேஞ்ச் பண்ண முடியும்? 7 6ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது, ஸோ நியூமரேட்டரை 6ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுறோம். Then 6 7s are 42. So numerator is also multiplied by 7. Denominator is, so 3 14s are 72. So numerator is also multiplied by 14. So 6, 8 7s are 56 plus 1 14 is 14 divided by 42. So 6 plus 14 is 20 minus 56. Here 56 minus 20. First if the symbols are different means add the same symbol first. Next, minus the different symbol values. So 56 minus 20 is 36. Put the greatest number symbol. Here greatest number is 56. So minus 36 we write. So minus 36 divided by 42. We cut these two values by 2 or 2. So 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2, 8 2s are 16. Again it is divided by 7 3s are 21, 6 3s are 18. So எதை ஆன்சராக எழுதினாலும் ஓகே, சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணி எழுதுறது நல்லது. ஸோ -6/7 is the answer.